morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. This can only mean one thing. We're back at it again. Again, I'm at Cudmore on Edwards. I love this lake. I'm learning a lot on this lake as well. And hopefully then it will transpire for me to go on to the lakes with a bigger carping. If I learn my trade on here and perfection it, I know lakes are different and they work different, but going into them big lakes, then I will feel a lot more confident in doing what I'm doing because it's working on here. So let's see how today goes, but I'll be back to you soon. Let me just get set up. Okay guys, we're set up. It's more like being in the sea out there than on a lake. It's so windy. It's blowing straight into my face as well. I just don't know how the audio is going to work today because it's so windy. What I might have to do is get the fish safely in, show it on camera. It might be a bit windy, and then jump back into my car to do the talking about what the weight was and how I caught it and where it was. But we'll see how it goes. I'll sort that out, so that's not a problem. But hopefully we'll be back to you soon with a fish, and hopefully we'll have a good day. I'm the only person on the lake as well. There's nobody else here today, I've been told by the owner, so yeah, I can cast wherever I want. But I found two nice clear spots. I'll try and show you now, but I do apologise if it is windy. So guys, we have got this rod. We've got this rod here. Oh. There, nice clear spot. Went down with a thump. So that's just on a bottom bait with a handful of boilies. We've got this rod here. Directly there. Again, nice clear hard spot. Handful of boilies, bottom bait. I will be talking about my baits today actually, because what I've been using have been producing for me, which is really good. Let's get back to the car. Yeah, so I'll talk about the rigs and the bait I've been using for the last about 3 or 4 sessions now, and yeah, I'm happy with them and they're really well, so they're really good as well. So I'll be mentioning them later. Hopefully I'll come back to you soon with a fish. Okay guys, I told you I'd talk about baits being used for the last 3 weeks, so while the weather's like that outside, I'll go through that with you now. So the first one I've been using is the CC Moore Pacific Tuna shelf life boilies at 15mm boilies, bottom baits. Absolutely fantastic. Not only do they smell good, which I know just because they smell good to us doesn't mean the fish are going to like them, but these really do work. I've been catching on these now for the last 3 weeks, and yeah, they've been absolutely devastating for me. So that's the first one I've been using. And the second one again by CC Moore, which is the live system shelf live baits. I've seen Mark Pitchers use both of these, and I thought I'd give them a try myself because I've seen a few other people use them as well, and they've been catching on them, so I thought I'll give them a go. And for the last 3 weeks they've been doing me really well, so I thought I'd just give a shout out to CC Moore because you've created some amazing baits here, and I definitely will be buying them again and trying the other products that they sell as well. So yeah, that's the baits I've been using. Might be cold, wet and very windy, but we have our first one. And he just replaced the bait as well, refreshed the area, and within seconds of it hitting the bottom, we had this absolute beauty on there. Let's flip you over. No, stay calm, stay calm. Let's flip you over. Stay there, stay there. Shh, shh, shh. Absolute corker. What a beauty. way and we get it back, eh? Again, make sure all these fins are nice and flat. £14 spot on. Get it back. Fish number one. Let's go. I'd literally just a few moments before I caught that fish come off the phone to my mum because she'd seen me post that I was out fishing. Says, "Oh, the weather's really bad, you know, take care." That's mums do. And this right hand rod that is placed there. Finished the phone call, put the phone down to my mum, love you, bye. Picked up this rod, replenished the bait, cast out, boom. Handful of boilies, put it on the rod pod. Before I could even tighten the clutch up, off it went. So first one on the board, and look at the change an hour, a couple hours make, nice and still. As you can see, nobody else is on the lake, apart from me more. And I think that's the first of many. I've got a really good feeling about today. So let's keep it rolling. Okay guys, just a little bit of an update. This right rod, where I've cast it out here, fish will keep jumping there. So very hopeful of another one on there. This one, I've got there, but fish are jumping there. And I've seen at least 5 jumps now. Don't know if it's the same fish, but I'm going to go around there now. Handful of boilies, I think, and then I think I'll cast straight over the top of it, because if I'm going to scare the fish off with the boilies, with the bait, hopefully I can get a lead in there before they come back, and hopefully they'll start feeding there, and hopefully we'll get one from that area as well. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so just doing a quick sprint round in between here and here, in between the bank and this rock that you can see. Sprayed them. Quite an open area, because again it's not jumping in the same place, but it's being quite close together. So I'm hopefully now I've got that rod on it, and I'm praying it won't take that long, and I think that one might take next, so we'll see what happens. We have our second one. Looks like we've got the baits, the tactics, the spots, the rigs. Well, looks like we've got it spot on today. I think this is bigger than my last one as well. So. Let's take a look at you. Look at the markings, absolutely stunning. Get it weighed, we'll get it back. I've already put the rod straight back out as soon as I got it in the net. So we're fishing effectively. We're only here for the day, so we need to get it done. Let's have a look. Nice. Nice and flat. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. £15.3. Get it straight back, he's a bit active. What a feeling! Fish number 2. This spot here seems to be the one at the moment. It's rocking. Still got that one over there. I saw the fish jumping, but nothing on that rod yet, which is surprising because I still see movement there. I'm a bit hesitant to put that left one where I've got the right one at the moment though, because I'm a bit worried that it's going to take that line out, because they usually shoot towards the rocks, and the only place I could have this is to the right of that one, which then heads towards the rocks. So I'm going to persevere with it how it is at the moment, because that place looks like it's on the money at the moment. So we'll leave the one there at the moment. I don't want to pressure it too much. If nothing happens on that one within the next hour or so, then we'll reassess and we'll go from there. Come on. Wow, Ganders, I'm stunned. Well, I've just been here, standing here pondering what to do next, because it's gone a bit quiet. Just had an alert through on my phone. I had to check, and it says that Facebook have recognised me as a rising creator, which is all down to you as well, because you've been supporting me. So thank you very much for that. This is just the beginning. You know, we'll keep them real wheels rolling. I'm on 60 subscribers now. I want to try and hit 100 by the 25th of December. That's my target, that's my aim. So if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, that'd be amazing. And I'm hoping you're enjoying the content. Judging by the views, I mean, they aren't massive by any stretch of the imagination, but we're getting there, you know. I'm really enjoying making content for you, so I'm hoping you're enjoying watching it, and just wanted to say a big thank you. It's amazing what a few hours can do. When I got here, it was like tsunami. Now, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Well, it's gone a bit quiet, guys, but we've got a few more hours to go, so hopefully we can get a few more on the bank. But if not, we've had a good day. Had the lake to ourselves, and we've battled the weather to be out here winning again. This is what we love. Nice, peace and quiet. Sit here, gather our thoughts, and hope to get them fishes feeding. Well, it's gone very quiet. How still that water is now. From when I got here this morning, it looked like a storm was raging. And now look at it. But yeah, we've got about, I think about half an hour left now of the session. We'll see what happens. Okay, that's me done, guys. Just ended up on the 2 today. Look how calm it is now. The weather that we had here this morning, I honestly didn't think it was going to calm down, but it did. We ended up with 2 on the bank, which is, you know, it's okay. Thanks for all the support on the channel so far. We're going to keep the wheels rolling. We're going to keep moving forward. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button if you've enjoyed today's video, and make sure you got them notifications on so you don't miss any future uploads. And follow all my social medias. I've got Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. They're all the same name as my same name as my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Tight lines.